Hello everyone, welcome to the Opulent Live. This is your friend Ozzy here once again, and today I will be doing a true unboxing for you guys. I noticed that previous videos have been, not completely true unboxings. Some of them have been items from my previous collections, some things I've owned for a couple of years. But today I am going to share with you a brand new watch that I just bought from Jomashop, and it has just arrived. I'm very excited. Actually, it arrived in the daytime, but I've been holding off because I had some things to do, but I can no longer hold off and the excitement is just killing me. In fact, I do have some other tasks to do, but I'm just gonna hold off on that and do this unboxing for you guys. And I wanna share the excitement with you guys. So here we go. And just to let you guys know, this is a watch by Movado. I will show you which one it is. The surprising thing is it arrived within just 2 days, and I didn't realize Jomashop was this nearby. So first we have the receipt. I'll put this to the side, take this out. Alright, here's the box. Looks like they have given us a catalog, which is really cool. It looks like a pretty nice, decent product catalog. Has several watches in there, and they have this barcode on the side. So I'm guessing that once we click on this through our cameras, we can go to the specific models and see if they're on sale or not. We'll go through this in a bit. All right, now let's come to the actual box. This on the side here. All right, so underneath the white cardboard cover is the box. You can see the Movado logo on there. I am so excited. This is my first Movado watch, by the way, guys. So I decided to add a true Swiss watch to my collection. Previously, it's all been Japanese brands, Japanese automatics, Japanese Quartz. But now I decided to go with the Swiss Quartz. So I'm gonna show you guys their classic watch. So it has, all right guys, finally the moment you've all been waiting for. I'm gonna be unveiling the watch very soon. But before that, I just wanna let you guys know, this is my first Movado watch, by the way. I decided to add a Swiss Quartz watch to my collection. Previously, all the ones that I've shown you so far have been Japanese automatics or Japanese Quartz movements. But this time it's a pure Swiss watch with a heritage, and it's one of the entry-level luxury watches of its kind. And soon you guys will see and hopefully agree with me that this is a great Movado watch to have. So here we go. Take the box off. This is just, by the way, fully authentic. This is exactly how you would get the Movado watch if you were to buy it from the retail store. And here we go. Okay, there's a box underneath the box. Always love those. It'll be a little bit tough to get this out, but no worries. I'm gonna put this larger box to the side. All right, let's see. Here we go. It's all wrapped up in this plastic, has all the original tags on it. Some silica gel which we're gonna toss to the side. There we go, so you guys can see now. It's all wrapped up nicely in this plastic. We're gonna take it out, which is a good thing because these watches tend to get scratched. There you go. So guys, this is the watch that I've been waiting for, and this is basically the Movado Museum Classic watch, and this is 38 millimeters in case, stainless steel. The watch has silver hand. It's got the classic Movado dot on the top, and the hands are also silver toned, has original leather strap. Very nice, very elegant, very classy looking watch. This is a pure dress watch, perfectly suited for formal occasions. Not really something I would wear in a casual setting or just, when hanging out with friends, but definitely, when going to a meeting or a formal occasion like a wedding or some parties. This is a perfect watch for that, especially wearing underneath a suit. You can see it's very thin, so that allows it to slide easily underneath your French cuffs or silk shirts. It's a very elegant design, very eloquent looking. There's a reason why this watch is featured in the Museum of Art in New York, and it's because of this special design, which is its trademark design, and actually I should say their signature design. No other watch manufacturer makes a watch that looks exactly like this. There is a plastic on there, and Ozzy here loves to take off the plastic. There you go. This is sapphire crystal, by the way, guys. Unlike the other mineral crystals I've been showing you, this is pure sapphire. The crown is simple, just take it out, push it out to just the time. No other complications on this watch, very clean look, no other hour markers. It's not really designed for that purpose. You can see it's got a tang clasp, has a very solid feel to it. It is Swiss made after all. And you see it's got a solid stainless steel case back here. And let's see what else came in the box, just so we know. Place it on the plastic here carefully. So this is just the watch holder. It has a small booklet inside. I believe this is their warranty card. Now keep in mind, when you buy from Jomashop, you don't get the official warranty, but Jomashop offers their own 2-year warranty. However, they do give you all the packaging, the original stuff that comes with the watch, but not to say that if you go to Movado they won't service it. They will if something goes wrong, but they'll probably charge you a fee, which if you had bought it from an authorized retailer would be free of charge. So that's what the price difference is all about, guys. When you buy from authorized retailers, you pay almost twice as much, or at least 40% more, but you get free warranty coverage and all of that stuff and the dealership experience. But if you're like me, if you're like Ozzy here, who just really cares about the product and not so much about warranties, you can save a ton of money and go this route and get the watch you want. Typically these watches last fairly long, and they usually do not cause problems unless you're like really rough on them. So I prefer going this route because I love to take care of my watches. But if you are someone who seriously requires a lot of service and maintenance from authorized retailers, then that probably might be the better route for you, but not the one for me. And I guess a lot of people would agree that Swiss watches are made to last, and you can probably get away without a warranty on most of them. So let's see, is there any, sometimes there's usually something inside the boxes. Let's see if that's the case over here. I don't see any kind of hooves or anything. It has now I can just see the Movado logo written on the back of it. The case is actually better than what I expected. I was expecting maybe just like a cardboard box or something, but this is actually a pretty decent watch holder, and I kind of like it. I got the impression that it was just this kind of box and not an actual box in here, but so that's great value for money, guys. This is the Movado Museum Classic, and let's see how it looks on the wrist. Alright guys, I know you love seeing the wrist shot. This is it then. Looks perfect on my wrist. As you guys have noticed, probably I have a very thin wrist, so smaller diameters look better. This is 38 millimeters, which is perfect for the size. As you can see, looks very elegant, very classy. If I may add, actually looks extravagant too if you combine it with a suit or a formal shirt and go to a formal setting, party or a wedding or late night event. This is the perfect watch for this, guys, and I guess I will be using it quite a lot for those occasions. Now, unlike the boss that I showed you guys before, that can be used in a more casual setting, this one just screams that I want to be in a class of my own. Very sophisticated looking overall, and I absolutely love it. And don't forget, guys, to like and subscribe to my channel, and feel free to comment on any thoughts you guys have. Until then, take care.